Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic FreeCAD tutorials how to use radius and diameter constraint. I will go to path design and click create body, create sketch, choose a top plan. For example, we create a circle in here, have two circle. Now if you want to set radius dimension in the circle, you can use this constraint radius. Select the circle object, and then you can set for the radius, like I will set into 15. Click OK to apply. So to set the diameter, you can click at this icon, constraint diameter. Select the circle, and I will set into 7,5. Click OK to apply. Like this. This is diameter 7,5 and this radius 15. If you want to create again the circle and then use these options, we can use these tools, constraint equal. You can select the circle and then select again the circle. So to be automatically same with the radius 15. Okay, that's it for basic FreeCAD tutorials, how to use radius and diameter constraint. If you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.